discerning drivers will appreciate the 2014 Audi Q5. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Audi infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as leather upholstery, speed-sensitive wipers, a blind spot monitoring system, power moonroof, a power rear cargo door, and air conditioning. Audi ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.